Sound check. Sound check. What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. All right. So we have our first we have our first viewer, Rashad. Cheers. First, so I'll give you 1 month free VIP. Get in to the VIP. Can we have Rashad back to the VIP, please? Cheers, mate. Cheers. All right, so I want Rashad back to the VIP for 1 month. All right, guys, so let's check first what is happening with the overall crypto market. Bruce Wayne is watching, and we have Andres Jaworski. I'm late today. I was outside. That's what you can see. My hair is still wet. So Bitcoin is still trading. Again, we are still inside the bear flag pattern. So all the pumps, as what I've discussed in my previous video, most of the pumps, I'm shorting it until we break certain levels. So Bitcoin is currently trading at 22,854. The next month is on me, promise, no preview. This month is on me. All right, so Bitcoin is trading at 22,800. Ethereum is trading at 1,667. We have seen a pump and dump scheme today. Did you catch the pump and dump scheme today, and we have some bearish bullish news, but we have seen a drop. So crypto is acting crazy right now. Also BNB, if you have watched my emergency stream last night, you should be able to catch the resistance level for BNB. And we have XRP, Polkadot still up, and some is down, like BTC and Ethereum is down by almost 5% in the last 7 days. Same with Solana, excuse me, down with 6% in the last 7 days. We have Polkadot still up and still going strong. We have Polygon Matic, we have AVAX, and where is Litecoin? Litecoin still unable to regain the number 20 spot. So let's check crypto bubbles. What is MV? MV right now is, I think this is a play to earn. And we have also near popping, and we have theta and hot. Shallow we have also here at 8.1%. So strong movers today is MV and near based on crypto bubble. Fear and greed index still in the fear level. At least we are not in the extreme fear. And what do you think, guys, is the best color for ledger? I'm planning to buy additional ledger, and I'm thinking to get the orange. Let's check the long and short position here for Bitcoin. Currently, let me refresh so we get accurate data here. So currently 54% are in long position in the 5-minute time frame. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum also 52% are in short position right now in most of the exchanges. Let's check the order book. We have total order of 150,000 Ethereum at 1,150 level. So we have 150,000 ETH waiting at 1,140 level, and we have 116,000. So this is 150 buying order at 1,100 level, and we have short position 116,000. Ethereum waiting at 2,370 level. We have some strong sell at around 1,690, and we have strong buy at 1,650 level. 1,650 level. All right. So that's the order book for Ethereum. And we have here BTC, we have 22,000, 12,000 Bitcoin waiting. And we have short at 23,500, 10,000 Bitcoin. So that's 12,000 buy at 22,000. And we have sell at 23,000, 10,000 Bitcoin waiting to sell. And we have here good news from Bloomberg. U.S. payroll increased by 528,000, more than double, estimates at 250,000, and we have seen the market drop. So it's crazy right now what is happening with the market. When the recession news came out, everything went up. When the CPI report came out, it's actually bad news, but everything went up. When the rate hike report came out, 75 BPS, it's not a good news, but the price went up. And right now we have a payroll increase by almost double. Bearish news. S&P 500 sank after stronger than expected job data was released. So welcome to crypto, and welcome to the roller coaster ride in the traditional stock. So yesterday I have published a video late night about BNB. BNB is approaching the monthly resistance level at around 320 to 328 level. So this is the monthly resistance, and if you are in the VIP, we have a short position at this level, and those who are in the VIP gets the information first. So it's currently I think it's at 100%. What do you think? 100%. Short at 320.46. Upper team, you're late, but I'm late also. Cheers. Is Rashad back to the VIP? Let me check. Let me check. Rashad, are you back? All right. So back to the for BNB again. I have released a emergency video yesterday, and I have discussed that I am planning for my next trade setup at this level here, monthly resistance, and the VIP gets the information first. We have also audio. I have posted this on Twitter. So when audio was just trading at around 0.35, I have set a several place here. Short position near the resistance, long breakout play here, breakout upon break of resistance, and short upon on retest of support. So here we have a long on support. Audio revisited this area, a long position, and this is currently up by 11%. So congratulations to those who are following me on Twitter. I'm posting some of the trade setups there almost daily. Another one here is Glimmer. So this was the previous chart. I'm expecting a rejection or either breakout and retest of support. I'm gonna buy here on the retest of support, or you can short. I don't know if Glimmer have perpetual or futures, but short here near the resistance, or you can buy near the support. Here's the chart update. So if you have been following me on Twitter, you could have catch Glimmer at this area at 0.6. Right now, currently trading at 0.75. And we have, if you want to follow some trades, I am available in BitGet, copy trade, small amount, $10 here margin here in Bitcoin, 229%, $24 gain, and $30 in Ethereum, 102%. $31 gain. So if you want to copy my trades, or if you want to follow me on BitGet, you can sign up using this link here. You can check it out on my Twitter. And also, so this is one of the short positions set in the VIP. All right, so going back to Bitcoin, guys, yesterday we have discussed that Bitcoin is still in an overall downtrend. We have a channel here in the daily time frame, and if you're going to check the lower time frame, we have also a downtrend channel. So basically we are still in an overall downtrend, guys. So as what I've discussed previously, I am shorting most of the pumps here. So every time Bitcoin pump, I'm catching all the wicks here and I'm shorting it. And let me check if I've shared some of my position here. If not, then I can here one of the position for Ethereum earlier, Bitcoin. I haven't shared my Bitcoin position, but going back guys, here, this is the level that you need to watch out right now. 22,643 level. This serves as a support right now. Let me move this a little bit here to be exact. 22,624. You need to watch out for this level, because if this breaks, we might see this kind of candle. Big red candle directly back to the support trend line, which is also our breakout point here, previous breakout point. So just in case we break this support here, let me label this as a support so it will be clear. So just in case we break the support, also let me change the color to green so that it will be clear. I will be sharing this to the VIPs in Discord. So once this support at 22,600 level breaks, I'm expecting a big red candle back to the previous breakout point at around 21,700 area. So watch out for that in the coming hours and in the coming days. Maybe this will just take let's see in the coming days. And also we have a bearish divergence here. We have price, let me just point it out. So price, this orange line here, okay, let me make it clear. Muhammad Nazim Udin, welcome to the live stream. All right, so guys, we also have a bearish divergence. I've shared a bearish divergence, how to check for divergence here on my Twitter account. So if you don't know how to spot a divergence, we have a cheat sheet here. So for bearish divergence, you can check the price here going higher high. Price is going higher high, and the oscillator is forming higher lows. So that's a bearish divergence. So here on the chart, Shamsula, we miss you here, brother. I think you have missed the yesterday's stream, or are you there? So again, for Bitcoin, we have the price forming higher high, and we have the stochastic RSI forming higher lows. So we have a bearish divergence for Bitcoin. And watch out for this support level. Again, I will repeat, I'm expecting a big red candle just in case Bitcoin breaks this support here. We have been hovering, or Bitcoin price have been hovering on this level for almost 3 days now. So once this break, we might see a big red candle. And also, we don't disregard the fact that if this breaks out, we might also see a good bounce up to this level here. So up to 24,000, almost 25,000, just in case we get a bounce above. So the next target will be around $25,000 for Bitcoin. But if, that's what you can see in the lower time frame, let me show you the lower time frame. I had BTC long and closed it because I was a little confused. I wish I wouldn't have closed the position. I was long from 21,460. I was actually long at 17,000. I'm holding a long position from 17,000. I have closed the position at around $21,000, but it's okay. Better than nothing. So here in the lower time frame, we have this. We are still in an overall downtrend, guys. We have some wicks outside, but overall, we are still in an overall downtrend. So all the wicks right now, or most of the pumps right now, I am shorting most of the wicks here to the upside. And this is the current level that I'm watching. So two things you need to consider, guys, because we don't disregard the fact that this could still pump back up if this support will continue to hold. But if this breaks down below, I'm expecting a revisit to the previous support here at around 21,700. And also, we have a bearish divergence in the daily time frame. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's move on with Ethereum time check. It's 11 p.m. on my end right now. So That's for Bitcoin, guys. We have a bearish divergence in the daily time frame, and Bitcoin price is still trading inside this bear flag pattern. If you're going to zoom out, Bitcoin is still inside this bear flag pattern, and it's very, very clear. So let's watch out in the coming days. Going back to Ethereum, guys, this was a previous chart as what we have discussed previously. This is the support that we need to watch out. And also, as what I've mentioned in the previous stream, or in the stream yesterday, guys, watch out for Ethereum touching the support here. This could be a good long position once you see a consolidation near the support here like this. This could be a good opportunity to set a long position. This yellow line here, 1590, that's what we have discussed yesterday. Support, we could see a bounce here, this green line. And possible short once we see a breakout or break of trend line here. This yellow line serves as a trend line. So if you're going to check Ethereum in the daily time frame, I have much bigger bear flag operative. I'm gonna show it to you right now. When Bitcoin was trading at around 45,000, I have already the bear flag and my target for Bitcoin. So here, when Bitcoin, this is actually not the latest, not the original. I have the original post here. Possible bottom price for Bitcoin, this level. This was posted February 2022, and also this one here, fourth quarter. Possible bottom price for Bitcoin already posted February 24, 2022. And this one right here, bear flag, target was 20,600 when Bitcoin was still hovering at $40,000. So my target, I have already a target of 20,000 when Bitcoin was trading at 40,000 in April. So this is not a biggest bear flag. This is much bigger. So this is a bear flag, guys. So if you are going to zoom it out, you're going to zoom out. This was the previous bear flag. Bear flag in April, 20,000 target. And right now, the target of this bear flag is around 14,000. But if you have watched my previous video about Bitcoin possible bottom price, and I have the date there of the possible bottom price target for Bitcoin, the date and the price. Check that video out. So Bitcoin is still trading inside this bear flag pattern. So going back to Ethereum. Also, Ethereum, guys, is forming here we have also a bearish pattern, small bearish divergence for Ethereum. And in yesterday's stream, I told you we could get a possible bounce here, and we have a resistance at around 1680 white line, and the key level resistance to break is at 1760 area. And right now we are still trading on the same range for almost 1 2 3 4 5 almost 5 days, guys. And this is going to make a decision in the 1 to 2 days. In the coming 2 to 3 days, we are going to see either a breakout, so be ready for Ethereum. This is going to break out soon. This is going to pop out either to the upside or to the downside. I've started mining on February and I found out about trading at around April. Current bear flag is the biggest I've seen. All right. Shams Ula, brother, if the market goes up and I short more and more BTC and add more margin, will it be a good idea? Actually, if you're going to short and going to DCA on the way up, it will decrease, or it will increase, it will decrease your liquidation target. So right now, if you're shorting Bitcoin and your liquidation, let's say, is around 40,000, and if you add more margin or more position, it will lower down your liquidation price. So it will move closer to your entry point. So if it's from 40,000, it might move to 35,000. You need to take some profit and adjust stop loss before adding margin, I believe. Yeah, with DCA strategy. And you need to also, you need to know the proper DCA, how to properly DCA, because you need to have certain amount of margin, you need to have your target, and also you don't just DCA, but you set target, and of course you set stop loss, because what will happen, for example, it goes just beyond your control. So even if you DCA, you still have to set a stop loss. So going back to Ethereum in 1 to 2 days or 3 days, this is going to make a decision either to break out to the upside or break out to the downside. So possible supports for Ethereum that you need to watch out. So resistance, this white line 1680 up to 1770 is the breakout point and resistance, and we have the support trend line. Watch out, once we see a break of support, we might see panic sellers, or you can catch a short position once you see a break of support here. So breakout, retest of support, this is the time where you can enter short position. And possible targets, we have 1461, support 2 at 1355, and support 3 at 1200 level. Let's hope to the downside for our BitGet trade. Let's hope for the best. So back to BNB. Today evening I was doing my own analysis, and it seems like we will see BTC to 20,900 very soon. I can be wrong, but that's what I feel. Based on the chart and based on what we have discussed, let's see in the coming days. So this was the emergency video yesterday, guys. So by the way, overall, based on my personal opinion, we have recession, we have war going on, we have oil and gas, we have inflation, we have all the rate hikes. We are already in recession, or US is already in recession. So fundamentally speaking, I don't think that we have seen the bottom yet. And if you have not yet watch my video for possible bottom price, I think we are going to hit the bottom on that specific date. So going back to BNB, this was the one of the emergency stream yesterday. Monthly resistance at 320 up to $335, and BNB right now is trying to break and got rejected. Small rejection here. If we're going to check the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, BNB got rejected here, and right now it's on the process of retesting, trying to break this resistance. So let's see in the coming days. We have actually a breakout here. If you're going to check the weekly time frame, technically speaking, guys, this is a falling wedge. We have a falling wedge in the weekly time frame, the biggest falling wedge that you have seen in your life. And we have a break of resistance trend line here, successful breakout in the weekly time frame. If you're going to check the daily time frame here, we have a breakout, retest of support here exactly on the support trend line, and right now trying to break the resistance or the monthly resistance at 320 up to $333 here. So two possible scenario might happen. technically speaking, the target for the breakout of this falling wedge will be around $450. So next possible scenario, and we have also another strong resistance here. This is not easy to break at $362. So next possible scenario for BNB, this could be rejected and might bring the price back to $293 and might try to retest the previous resistance, or this could break it and retest this next resistance at $362. But I don't think this will be easily broken. This is a strong resistance. If you're going to zoom out, this serves as a very strong support for BNB here. Strong support. Another one here. Support. This was a previous support, now acting as a resistance for BNB. So these are the levels that I'm watching right now. And also, if you're going to check the RSI here, we have flat RSI while the price is forming higher high. So also we have a weak class C bearish divergence in the daily time frame. All right. So that's it, I think, for today, guys. Time check. It's already 11:13. I need to have my late night dinner. So thanks for joining me, guys. We have Hurricane late for today, but I'm also late because I started the stream very late. Just quick question: do you have stop loss for BITGET copy trading for Ethereum in case of breakout to the upside? For copy trade, for the copy trade in BITGET, that is actually just 0.6 of my total account in BITGET, and that is only futures account. So that is 0.6% of the position. And you can actually, you have full control, guys. If you are in copy trading, you have full control. So you need to manage your risk, because most of the position in BITGET is for DCA and for scalp trades. Soon I'm gonna open an account or copy trade. I am available in BINGX. Most of the trades there will be scalping, pure scalp trades, no DCA, only pure scalping. In BITGET, guys, I'm gonna do DCA because most of my long-term position, I'm gonna set it here. Like if Bitcoin revisit the previous low, I'm gonna set a long position for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm gonna DCA for long term on this account in BITGET. But you have full control. If you want to copy trade, copy at your own risk. You have full control. Set a stop loss if you can't handle the volatility, or you can close the position. You have full control of your trade. So that's for BITGET copy trade. If you want pure scalping, I will open a copy trade soon on BINGX, which is going to be pure scalp trades. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you have learned something today, I'm still holding my short position for BNB. And what happened to OP? And also, let me know in the comment section what is happening with Binance. It's very laggy and it's just very slow, guys. Very slow. I don't know what is happening with Binance right now. I'm still holding my OP short position. I have my Ethereum short position. I have my ETC short position. I'm still holding it. So thanks for joining me today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. And if you have learned something today, if you enjoy this kind of video, please share it and support the channel. Again, trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.